Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the image in an editor that supports layers or transparency. Once the copy is loaded, inspect the border type, solid frame, drop shadow, or canvas edge, because that determines the method. Make sure to unlock the background layer if needed, and switch to a selection or crop tool immediately. This first move sets you up to remove the border non-destructively. You want to preserve pixels while isolating the area to delete or crop away. You now refine the selection around the border. Use the rectangular marquee for straight frames or the magic wand for color-based borders, adjusting tolerance so only the border is captured. Once selected, either delete to reveal transparency or add a layer mask to hide without loss. If the border overlaps image details, employ content-aware fill or clone stamp to reconstruct nearby pixels. Make sure to zoom in and toggle visibility to confirm a clean transition between original area and to finish, inspect edges at full resolution and smooth any roughness with a 1:2px blur or select edge refine tool. Export as PNG if you need transparency, or fill the canvas background with a matching color and save as JPG. If you see a halo or fringe, you should contract the selection by 1:2px or use defringe/erase fringe options. Alternatively, paint small fixes with the clone tool. This troubleshooting step ensures the image looks natural in its final context.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.